Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this one, I just wanted to show you how to sign up for VMware Cloud on AWS Fundamentals Hands-on Lab. Okay, so if you read this description, hands-on labs are the fastest and easiest way to test drive the full technical capabilities of VMware products. These evaluations are free. They are up and running on your browser in minutes and require no installation. All you need to do is make sure that you are allowing pop-up windows in order to access the lab. So I don't have any account here. So let's just try to create an account. So I'm just going to say student and let's try my account email address. And are you a partner? Currently I'm not. So let's just hit continue, see what happens. Okay, so here it's asking that I need to verify my email address and provide some password, and then I have to go through this standard form that I need to fill out. So let me fill out that, and then I'm gonna hit and say start the free trial, and I ask you to do the same while I pause the video. Or on the next step, what happened as soon as I filled out information and I hit next, it's requesting for confirmation of my email, standard process. So let's just do that and come back. All right, once I have done my activation through the email, like the verification of my email, my account is now activated within the VMware and it's now moved over here, and there we go. So I have complete access. All right, so let's see what do we need to do next. So at this point, I just need to go back and research one more time and say, hey, VMware on cloud, and it gave me the VMware on cloud interface. And now if you see, I have a lab and I have a whole bunch of guide and approximated time remaining. Everything is now available to me, and I am able to start doing VMware hands-on lab, okay, for free. So it's I'm not going to do anything right at the moment. All my idea was to show you that you can do that, get an account with VMware. So this is going to be VMware on cloud, and you will be able to do your tutorials and learn this particular platform and be efficient on it. All right, that's all. Hope you have a good time learning VMware and enjoying this product and improving your IT skills. Good luck. Thank you.